And trade with Jaxx. Got my haircut. Trim the beard. Looking fresh. We're going to go over BTC sitting at 27.9. Nice little push up 1.7. See market cap 5.5 billion. 24 volume 10.89 billion. Tomorrow a strong bullish sign will print on the daily chart. We'll get into it. This is the 30-minute chart. We pull back in a wave 2. I was looking at potential for A, B, C. However, with this recent push up, we've now put up 5 waves off the low. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. It looks like micro leading diagonal, and that could lead to a straight breakout. So what you may see here is we pushed up in 5 waves. We pull back a little bit. We bounce. Boom. See you later. We pushed up in a wave 3. Everyone thinks we're gonna go to 23K. Just give me one moment. As I was mentioning, everyone thinks we're going to go to 23K. Whales love to take advantage of those situations where all of retail thinks we're going to go one direction and whales send it the other direction. So very possible that we can push up from here. Bullish confirmation with the break of that wave 1 high. If we roll over, we lose that low. We have to lose that low to put in the wave C. Otherwise, it's just a 1, pull back into 2, and then see continuation up in a wave 3. And more confluence of continuation, potential continuation to the upside, is the fact that we're about to print the bullish cross on the daily. Tomorrow we'll print the bullish cross. So it's a pretty good entry right here. If you're looking for a swing trade, boom, put your stop loss underneath that low, and your target can just, you know, be the moon. Could be all the way up at 40K. Because you're going to have the bullish cross. Some people will even trade with the stop loss underneath the bullish cross or underneath that previous low to give you a better risk to reward, and trade it up, because often when you have that bullish cross, there's the bullish cross right there, explosion to the upside. There's the bullish cross right there, massive move to the upside. It often leads to massive moves to the upside. Not always, it can be invalidated, but it does signal a good opportunity for a breakout. The DXY, we're just consolidating up here. We do have bearish divergence on the 4-hour RSI as well as the money flow. So we can break down from here. We broke the wave 3 high, so the wave 5 can complete at any time, but the wave 5 would be very small compared to the wave 1, and often it's the same size as the wave 1. So if we were, let me just measure it quickly with a trend line. This is the size of wave 1. Take that to the wave 4 low. Yeah, and that would at least take you up to the 38.2. So there is potential for the DXY to push a little bit higher, but if we were to break down from here, if we break that bearish confirmation, then we can see a straight drop, which would lead to a straight breakout potentially for BTC. So that's what I'm looking at. Nice bullish divergence going to print tomorrow, which is a strong bullish signal. And we have a 5-way move, and a wave B is a 3-way move. So there is definitely potential of continuation to the upside, in my opinion. We'll have to see how it plays out. If we roll over, we break that low, then we can look at ABC correction. But as of right now, we have a 5-way move, so we can lean a little bit more towards a bullish scenario, potentially pull back a little bit before seeing continuation to the upside. We're currently in trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Solana. My signals are $10 per month. You spend $10 every single day of your life. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange to trade futures and spot. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when you deposit into your futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20 to trade for free. If you deposit $1,000, get $200 to trade for free. My subscribers only. $10 a month for my trade signals, daily crypto analysis, my exact entries. We're in 4 trades right now. Crypto news, remember profits hard at all place, and Forex signals, Forex analysis. We have upcoming Forex trades as well. We just hit our first take profit on US oil, juicy TP1. It's $10 a month, guys. You really can't beat it. Most people, they charge $50, $100 a month. I charge $10. Go check it out. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.